Welcome aboard Google Cloud. Again, here in the lab, we're continuing the previous lab where I prepared a Python environment and running Flask application. Now what we're going to do, we're going to integrate identity platform with it. Let me just minimize this. Okay. This is what we want. Identity platform. First need to do, probably going to have to enable. Yes. Let's add a provider. I'm going to select the email password. Okay, enable it. Low password land. Okay, no problem. Here we're going to add a domain. Let's get this. Maybe I have to remove this guy. What could that be? That should be acceptable. Let's just remove the end of it. Okay, cancel. There's no templates. Okay, it should be fine. Should be fine, but like Custo SMTP. Okay, it should just add a domain. I'll try only this. See what's going to be. That worked. Okay. Problem some stuff. Yeah, never add the protocol in the beginning. Let's save it. So we have that. Let's add on a user. tpm/gmail.com. Save it. So right here, click on providers. If you want to integrate that, you need to go to application setup details. Okay, so it provides you the script for that, the API key, etc., the domain. Usually these are used for endpoints. I'm gonna copy these. Look at the API key matches here. Whatever. Now close this and we're neat. Now we are going to the editor here. We're gonna find a web app. Okay. Static. Client. And I gotta change the HTML. So there's scripts over here. Even put on the beginning. Save it. Okay. Let's rerun the app. Okay, let's click on take a test. Let's choose GCP. She's not forwarding us. Let's add an email. Here we go. So our identity provider works. That's everything I'd like to share with you guys, the integration of identity provider with any application. We need also check for Firebase. Once you use Firebase, you're gonna reflect here inside. So Firebase is a backend as a service, and you can have different providers. In case I use the Firebase authentication, that I can integrate with many things that I usually use for sending messages to mobile, for the mobile apps. If you need to have an alert for a user, so you get in that case I was using Google Cloud, I was in Firebase with that authentication, etc. I could send a message for a specific person using a mobile. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.